inside the floating market here, right here. We're going in, go see if we can float around, you know, the floating market. I don't think we're gonna ride any elephant today. We are waiting for the guy. You went to buy the tickets and stuff. So we are waiting for him.
Before I knew here, I was gonna be here. Yeah, you stay here for 2 hours.
Oh, I should get my bag.
No need to eat. I have something that you must take here. Before you stay here 2 hours, you lunch the side. Now you wanna take the thing back inside? Before I know here, I go outside. When you come back, I have to to you.
Yeah, I'm going to get my bag for the guy. We are gonna be here 2 hours, and the guy is gonna leave, so I'm gonna get my bag. He's gonna come back as I have something to eat. So yes, guys, let me see. Oh, this. That's kind of heavy. Got my picture. What's this? I have some food in there and a water. I'll take the water. Leave the rest of the stuff. So yeah man, that's it. Lighten up the bag, make the bag feel a bit lighter. Wait, one more.
On your shirt. I wanted to get the picture, but I think
They're taking picture. There goes a guy in a suit like mine. I have a black suit. My sister said she liked it. These people are taking group pictures.
gonna come back at around 11, 12, 1 o'clock.
Oh, okay. Wow.
There is.
I was wondering where you go. So yes, guys, this is inside the floating market.
Okay, left side please. Your boat in the left side please.
The left side. Now, next thing I go drop over. Sorry.
One more.
One more. It's 2 of us.
คนไหน ไม่ใช่เขาบอกว่าแบ่ง2 ลำกุ๊กนุ้งไม่ใช่ของพี่นุ้งอ่ะพี่นุ้งมีแค่4 คนนั่นแหละเขาให้แบ่ง2 ลำทำไมอ่ะเป็น2 ตัวเขาเป็น2 ตัวคนไหนอ่ะก็เนี่ยเขาบอกอยู่ว่า2 ลำผู้ชายต่อผู้ชายผู้หญิงต่อผู้หญิงแต่เขานั่งด้วยกันได้นะแล้วแต่นั่งด้วยกันได้แล้วแต่ก็ได้พี่แล้วแต่พี่เลยนั่งด้วยกันเลยโอเคครับซื้อมาแล้วเนี่ยไม่เป็นไรนั่งด้วยกันเลยย่า
Angie.
ตัวเขาหมู่กันผู้หญิงกับผู้ชายจะให้เขาแยกกันคนถ่ายรูปไปแล้ว
Guys. Oh, in this boat. Sorry, the seat is so low. It's low.
It is low.
Ben.
It's not for a tall person.
What happened?
Oh, sorry.
No, the hand on it, the hand inside the boat.
Maybe you have to turn around.
Yeah, we'll turn around.
You go inside, yeah, the hand go here, no, oh yes.
How are you?
I'm too tall.
Bend.
Yeah, the legs to sit down.
Yes.
Guys, this is the floating boat, floating market. I think you shop on the river.
My legs over.
Yeah, you can. Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
but
the hand
this is
inside, yeah, no outside,
mostly,
yeah.
Okay.
No,
Yeah.
inside.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay.
this is if you're short.
See you later.
Wow.
Wait a minute, who's our driver?
Behind you. It's not me.
This is interesting.
Yeah. So
Wow.
you're on the river floating.
We are on the floating river.
Wow.
Floating
This is
market.
it.
Oh, this is beautiful. Look at this thing.
Yeah. Dragon.
Oh.
Whoa, look at this boat. Don't hit us. Wow. Nice. Yeah. It's beautiful.
We have all kinds of dragons.
All different kind of stuff. Look in the middle of the dragon. Wow. And look over here.
Are those Chinese lanterns?
Yes.
Lanterns?
Chinese lantern. They're nice. I always see them like in movies and stuff. Hello. Hi. Aloha. And look at this big bird. Wow. Wow, look on the deer. And there goes our tour guide. He's not floating. Look in front of us.
Of the boat. This is interesting.
Wow.
Sawadika.
Sawadika. Wow.
I could be on this water for a while. It's very
Yeah, I know.
calm, very relaxing.
Yes, and boat passing us back and forth. Wow. Wow. We are going under here. This is our little bridge, guys. This is our little bridge. Wow. Look at those monkeys. Yeah. Floating market. Yeah. So as wow, they are floating around, you know. Yeah, man, floating on the water, on the river. Wow, nice. And look what's going on behind us. The paddling. Paddling away. Floating market.
Sawadika.
Ooh, Sawadika. What's Sawadika? Hi. This is the floating market, guys. They're asking us to support them.
Sawadika.
Sawadika. Hi. Sawadika. Wow, this is the market. I saw a lot of this stuff last night when I was out. You float around and, you know, I guess you get off at some point and go in and buy stuff. But guys, if the music get too low, I don't know if YouTube will flag it, so I'll stop. Okay? Yeah, man. If the music get too loud. Wow. Yeah, man, this is nice. This lady over here doing her thing. And look at this, interested. Wow. Floating market. Interested. Mhm. Yeah, man, this is nice. Wow, cute outfit. Yeah, man, you know people are cook on this side. See them there, them are do them thing. And over here, that smell good. Whatsoever soup that or whatsoever them are
That smell like a
smell
That's good.
good. Like I would eat. Yeah, man. Look at all those bags and stuff. Thailand, you know.
Oh, this a
Wow.
bag store.
Yeah, that's a bag store. Yay!
Sawadika.
Sawadika! Yeah, little boy waving to us. This is
No,
nice.
that's a nice outfit. I like that.
I like the flowers one, the butterfly one.
Yes, that's pretty.
Look at right here. Look out right here. It's a market, guys. Wow, see? It's a market. Ooh. Wow. Floating market, guys. We are floating on the water, heading into the market zone. Yeah, man. Yeah, nice. Wow. Wow.
The wind makes it so much cleaner.
Yeah, nice. Going around here. Look at that olden car. I guess it's not in the market, but it's over there. It's nice. And look at this guy standing alone. Who is he? I don't know. We got to have to figure out that. Yeah.
Okay, one by one, visitor. One by one, hello.
One by one we disembark.
Yeah, sawadika.
Okay.
One by one. Okay.
One by one we come off. Stand by.
Can we go up to that green thing in the middle?
Yeah.
What's that green thing? A dragon? Wow. It's okay, like a dragon. It's all about the dragon here and the Buddha. Yeah, man. And the king. Yeah, when we went to the palace. That looked like I don't know, I think it's a
How did
dragon.
he get here?
Yeah, he walk around. He walk around. I saw him.
Sawadika.
Hi, Sawadika. That's our tour guide. See, that's our tour guide, right?
Okay, canal
Yeah.
tour by boat is finished, yeah. Finished at here.